It's visible my screen.
Yes, Shiva.
Okay, thank you. This this is my project. All are understand this view. No, I'm not explaining. Okay, this is total. Sure. Deepa. Oh, ఉంది. Ah, okay. Okay, this is my entire project. Project. So forms. Okay, see guys, I'm today explaining forms. Okay, I'm already explained. I'm already explained this is how to utilize the forms and how to work these forms. Today I'm all again explaining. This is a user registration form. I'm given the name user registration, and also you can see this is the one of the simple form I created. This is all fields how to you can give the class names and what is the parameters, what is this required. Okay, I will explain again today. Just I will give you briefly in 15 minutes. Okay, in model, first of all I can open the model. I created one model. I can give the all the fields. It's a char field. I can take in all the fields char, and one is the text field. You can suppose you want to email field, you can give email field also as your wish. You can create in the model level, or you want to develop in the forms level also. You can the char field you can convert into text input. Okay, and also you can get this char field you can convert it into email field input. Okay, you want definitely you want to convert these operations also that okay, maybe you are all the creating char field that time you can convert it into this type of inputs. Okay, otherwise you want to directly you can give the forms. Okay, and this is the best method utilized now. And also what is the attributes? The attributes means do you know in HTML in attributes same this attributes are all are including in this. You want to give class names, and that is also you can give now. That time apply the bootstrap. Okay, already one project I can create now. Django. In Django I will explain. This is also and again both I will explain. This is also some modifications are there. You can see in the model same. I can take in the char field and email field. The name first name is char field and the last name is char field. I can take in, and email field I can take email field. Okay, I am taken in the models level. Okay, but before application, you can see all the forms, all the models I can take only char field. But in this project, I can take different fields. What are the different fields? Email fields are also is present. I can take now this form. No, this model. Okay. After this, you can see in model, I can attributes. What are the attributes are present? It's a class form controller. I can apply the form control. Okay. Form control means that is related to um, bootstrap bootstrap name. Okay, and first name, last name also. What are the attributes are present in the HTML? That all are attributes you can give now in this address. Okay, you can see in the choice field. In choice field, it's a you select choice means select button, select menu, select menu. It's a select menu. In select menu has a male, female. You want to select, choose the gender. I will show you. I will run this file. You can say I am taken only one field. I will show you entire how to it's only one field it's taken. I will show you first of all this. This time you can see gender. In gender, male and female options are there. Okay. In forms I can take only male and female. I can put on the other also. First one is the value. First one it's a value, and next one this is the name. Okay, the value. And next I will go to run again, refresh now. You can see in this other also present. Okay, you can select other, that value is O, and you can select a female, that value is F. Okay, these are all our UI. You want to show the data in the UI. Okay. Okay, next, what are the fields? I want to fields only name, last name, email, gender. Okay, I given only name because I can take fields are name and last name. I can take last name. You want to only name, that time you can take only name. That this entire forms returns the only name. Otherwise, it's all are the negligible. Okay, but I want to these fields because I can give in these names. Okay, otherwise you can give the only this one. You can give now all over. Okay, otherwise you can give the individual names. And next, how to these views configure in the views file. You first of all import the views from this form is presenting in the in folder level, because I can put the this dot. After I can give in the forms. The forms means the file name. The file name in the import user. User means this is the one of the one of function. Sorry, one of the class. I can retrieve this class. Okay, after I can give that class in the text. This is the context. Before I will explain how to context using, how to this context utilize now. Okay, similarly, this in the columns right side you want to give in the any value, that data. This is the key. This is the value. The value assigned to this key. I want this key. I can call into the this text file. Sorry, HTML file. This key. Okay, what is the key name? That is a form. So you can put in the double flower brackets because this is the Jinja technique. You want to retrieve the data from the views files to this HTML file. You want to show it. That time you can utilize the Jinja techniques. Otherwise, you can't show. It's not working. Okay, you can't import the data in the HTML page. You want to just of all collect the data in your home views page only. Okay, in this time you can see it's a name is present, last name is, these labels are not given. These labels automatically came to the from the model side. In model you can see you given the email, this name, because it's this name also came. You can give the last name because that last name is came. But how to I neglected that names. Okay, you can just of all give the go to home HTML page. You can, you just give the what are the fields are present. You want to particular design, you can design now. Okay, dot name, what is the name, what is this field name? It's a name because I can given the name is in this form dot name. And also I can, in this time you can see I can save now. Only one text field is there and without name, without label. Okay, and also and copy and paste now. I am last name, you can copy and paste now. That is sufficient because so many times we are putting any ones and any columns or dots, that time it's useful. Okay, any modifications are there, that time it's a very useful. Go to email, very fast or a very slow, and mobile number, and gender. You can see in model address also present, but I am not giving the forms. In that time I can give the address. Alt dot text field, no text field, time field, text area, no text field. You can take char field, maximum length 200, and also I can provide this save now platform also, and simple, and give the gender, also address. Okay, this time I'm running. You can see male, female. Okay, this is my address because it's came. In this time you can give the labels and form action. Method post. I'm already explained. We are using method post to what is the most important. SRF token. You can see you can data you want to push now. The time you can use method. Okay, post method. And next, I want a proper arrangement now. Okay, how to give? You can use break statement. See, you want a middle order. You can just inform action. Otherwise, you can take a division. Right, style, margin, pixel, next time. You can see. And next, the top is 0 pixel. I want to give 250. That's enough. Next, 350. Maybe 450. Apply now. Around 500. Next, apply the padding. Give 10 pixel. Okay, it's enough. Okay, I can create the submit button also. Otherwise, you want to create a HTML format, you like that time you can utilize now. Okay, it's not a necessary you want to build the this type of you want don't require it. Okay, as your wish. Okay, submit button action. Okay, and I am required. It's you can see in my code required is present in the forms. In forms you can see required. Okay, we given these attributes because it's a filling or not. It's checking by default. It's checking, and also you can put on the required that time it's merchant should it can pass these values. Okay, okay, guys. Any doubts? Tell me now. How to create any one of explain me how to use file and how to explain URLs. Hello, guys, and I am applying background color. You can see color will be applied. and also border radius 0.5 pixels. This time it's a curves. Okay, I will give you a dark color. That time it's a visible now. Blue. It's not good, but it's visible is good because I am giving. Okay, I want to fill my data and last name submit. It's submitted. Okay, but no action is performed. Okay, I created already created user registration form and index.html. .html. Okay, copy. You can see indirectly I can give the action index.html. I'm also it's working. Refresh now and also enter my data and submit now. Can go to it's not going to home. Okay, I'm not created any sorry, I'm not created any URL. Okay, first of all I can create URL. This is my first mistake. Okay, first of all you can go to the URL. You first of all create the URL that action perform. Okay, or next passes the URL. Okay, what is the URL? It's the index. Next and next again give the views dot home. Home home already present. Okay, index and next give the name equal to index. Next you can create the view function index. See guys, I'm passing only REQ. That time you can pass only this in this REQ. Otherwise, you can pass the request or you can mention the full name of request. You can give render asking a request. Do request equal to request also. Otherwise, as ever which you can put on the just a request. Okay. Don't think about badly. I'm explaining you can write this way also. I will explain different methods, but all are same. Okay, you want just of all you can put in the request that is also fine. Okay, I'm explaining how many ways is presenting in the your initializing. Okay, just of all, and next I can give the URL for HTML page and next context. HTML, what is the HTML? Index.html. Okay, and next go to your home URL. What is the URL? URL percentage and you can write URL space and give the single quotations It's useful for double quotation because I am previously explained you can use first of all outer section double quotation and inner you can utilize single quotations. In the single quotation, what is the name? Index. This time you can go now, refresh now. Name. Okay, server maybe it's breakdown. Once check the server. Okay, it's a break. System is break server. Here now Python manage server. Once check now. I'm running server. Okay, I submit my form. You can see on that page it's going. I'm already explaining these things all already. Okay. Okay, guys. Any doubts? Because I'm go to tomorrow. Tomorrow I will go to how to apply the CSS. Okay, and also how to retrieve the data. Today I am explaining how to individual forms you can apply now. Okay, without your label. That label it's different. You can put on the your form. You can go now. You can write the your what is the labels. What is the attributes placeholder can put on. I'm saving or not. Okay, I'm saving. Enter the name. I'm given in this name. I can given the this for this placeholder. I'm given in this form. Same similarly, your class name, ID, all these things it's applying. Okay, enter your name. It's visible.
Yes, Shiva, it is visible.
Yeah. Okay. In placeholder, you want to apply the all these fields. It's also worked. Okay. Your attributes. Anyone any doubts to that topic?
Shiva,
Okay.
I have some
Yeah.
doubt.
Mm.
Uh, if how to store our data?
Mm?
How to store our data? I mean, you are
How to
store data information
how to
like you are
how
creating one form.
mm.
You are created one form.
Okay, you want to
Uh,
retrieve the data.
right. How to store that data? Where we can store that
I
data?
will came. First of all, you will learn these things. All once you contact with me, you connect with me. Okay, Saturdays, Sundays, I am free now. The times you just share your screen. I will explain where you stop. I will help you. Okay, this is the class.
Okay.
Okay, you want to fast
Okay.
now. That time I will help you definitely. Don't ask
Okay.
the
Okay.
అంటే మీరు ముందు వెళ్ళిపోతా ఉంటే ఓకే వెళ్ళండి నేను హెల్ప్ చేస్తాను కాదంటలేదు. క్లాస్ ఏంటంటే నేను
Classic.
మధ్యలో వెళ్తా ఉంటా.
రైట్.
హ్మ్?
రైట్. క్లాస్ మధ్యలో ఇది చేయకండి. స్టాప్ చేయకండి.
అంటే, అంటే కన్‌ఫ్యూజన్ అయిపోతారు గదా! నేను ఒక్కసారిగా ఆ టాపిక్ టీచ్ చేస్తా ఉంటే మిగతా వాళ్ళంతా కన్‌ఫ్యూజన్ అవుతారని నేను ఎవరు అడిగినా కూడా చెప్పట్లా. మిమ్మల్ని పర్సనల్‌గా మీరు నాకు పిన్ చేయండి. నేను ఖాళీగా ఉన్నప్పుడు చెబుతాను.
రైట్. రైట్. ఓకే.
ఓకే.
ఓకే
నేను
శివ.
ఖాళీ ఉన్నాను అంటే మీరు యుటిలైజేషన్ చేసుకోండి. ఆ తర్వాత నేను వన్స్ కాల్‌లోకి ఎళ్ళాను అంటే మేబీ తెలీదు. నాకు శనివారం, శుక్రవారం గూడా కాల్స్ చేస్తా ఉంటారు. ఆఫీస్ తరపున గాని, లేదంటే బయట ఏవైనా గాని. ఓకే. అది మొన్న
ఓకే.
ఎవరో లావణ్య అనుకుంటా, లావణ్యనో మరి ఎవరో తెలీదు. మెసేజ్ చేశారు. నేను ఆన్ ది మీటింగ్‌లో జస్ట్ ఒక పావుగంట ఏమో ఉంది నాకు. ఆ టైంలో నేను కనెక్ట్ అయ్యాను. తను కనెక్ట్ అవ్వల.
ఆ!
ఒకసారి తను కనెక్ట్ అయినప్పుడు నేను లేను. నేను చూడల. నాకు మీటింగ్‌లో ఉన్నాను అని. అంటే మీరు కూడా మీకు వర్క్స్ ఉంటాయి నేను కాదనను. నాకేనే కాదు. కొంచెం కనెక్ట్ అయ్యే టైంలో నేను చూస్తాను. ఓకే. ఆల్మోస్ట్ మాక్సిమం నేను ఖాళీగానే ఉంటాను. సాటర్‌డేస్, సండేస్. ఓకే.
ఓకే శివ.
హ్మ్. యాహ్!
శివ,
ఎనీ
ఈ
డౌట్స్?
ఫార్మ్స్ గురించి ఒకసారి చెప్పు.
యాహ్!
ఫార్మ్స్.
ఫార్మ్స్. ఓకే. ఓకే. ఇక్కడ చూడండి. ఇక్కడ క్యార్ ఫీల్డ్ ఉంది గదా! ఈ క్యార్ ఫీల్డ్ ఫార్మ్స్ డాట్ క్యార్ ఫీల్డ్ అనేది నేను ఎందుకు తీసుకున్నానంటే, ఇక్కడ మోడల్‌లో నేను తీసుకున్న ఫీల్డ్ క్యార్ ఫీల్డ్. ఆ యొక్క క్యార్ ఫీల్డ్‌ని నేను ఇన్‌పుట్ టెక్స్ట్ బాక్స్‌గా మార్చుకోవాలంటే ఈ ఫార్మ్ మీన్స్ ఫార్మ్‌లో ఏమేమి ఉంటాయి మనకి? టెక్స్ట్ బాక్సెస్. ఓకే. ఫీల్డ్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఆ ఫీల్డ్స్‌గా నేను ఇక్కడ కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తున్నా. ఆ ఫీల్డ్స్ అనేవి మనకి ఇక్కడ ఇలా ఎందుకు నేను క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నా అంటే, ప్రతి పేజీలో నేను ఫీల్డ్స్‌ని క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవాలంటే చాలా డిఫికల్ట్ అయిపోయిద్ది. ప్రతి పేజ్‌లో నేను హెచ్‌టీఎంఎల్ కోడ్ రాయాలంటే చాలా డిఫికల్ట్ అయిపోయిద్ది. అదే జస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి మీరు. నేను ఫార్మ్ డాట్ నేమ్ అని ఒక్క నేమ్‌తో సరిపోతుంది. ఓకే. ఆ ఫీల్డ్ క్రియేట్ అయిపోతుంది అక్కడ. మిగతాయన్ని బ్రేక్స్ ఇవన్నీ మన ఇష్టం. లేదు అంటే అసలు మీకు ఈ ఫార్మ్స్‌తో కూడా మాకు అక్కర్లేదు అనుకుంటే మీరు జస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఈ ఫార్మ్స్ కూడా వదిలేసి మీరు హెచ్‌టీఎంఎల్ కోడ్ రాసుకోవచ్చు ఇక్కడ. ఇక మీరు ట్యాబ్‌కి రాస్తూనే ఉండాలి హెచ్‌టీఎంఎల్ కోడ్. అది. బట్ జాంగో ఉపయోగిస్తున్నామంటే అసలు యూజ్ ఏందంటే ఇది మెయిన్ యూజ్. దీని పర్పస్ మనం ఉపయోగించేది మనం ఇది ఉపయోగించుకోకుండా జస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ నేను కోడింగ్ రాసుకుంటానంటే ఏం ఉపయోగం ఉండదు. ఓకే. ఫ్లెక్సిబిలిటీ ఉండదు. స్పీడ్ ఉండదు. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ చూడండి ఇక్కడ విజిట్స్ మీన్స్ యూ కెన్ కన్వర్ట్ ఇట్ ఇంటూ దిస్ ఫార్మ్ ఇన్పుట్ టెక్స్ట్ బాక్స్‌గా మీరు కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తున్నారని ఇక్కడ ఫార్మ్‌ని. ఈ ఫార్మ్స్ డాట్ టెక్స్ట్ ఇన్పుట్. ఓకే. ఈ యొక్క క్లాస్‌ని కాల్ చేసిద్ది. ఆ క్లాస్‌లో ఏముండిద్దంటే మనకి హెచ్‌టీఎంఎల్ ట్యాగ్స్‌కి సంబంధించిన అట్రిబ్యూట్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఆ హెచ్‌టీఎంఎల్ అట్రిబ్యూట్స్ మీరేమి ఇస్తున్నారు ఇక్కడ పారామీటర్స్‌కి ఏం పాస్ చేస్తున్నారు? క్లాస్ అనేది ఫార్మ్ కంట్రోల్. ఫార్మ్ కంట్రోల్ ఇక్కడ నేను ఎందుకు ఈ ఫార్మ్ కంట్రోల్ పాస్ చేశానంటే బూట్‌స్ట్రాప్ గురించి తెలుసుంటే ఫార్మ్ కంట్రోల్ ఎందుకు వాడుతున్నాం అనేది అర్థమైద్ది. ఓకే. బట్ ఇక్కడైతే అప్లై అవ్వట్లేదు బూట్‌స్ట్రాప్. ఓకే. మీరు దీన్ని కన్సిడర్ చేసుకోవద్దు ఇప్పుడు. ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్‌ప్లెయిన్ టుమారో లేదా డే ఆఫ్టర్ టుమారో. ఓకే. In this, you can see, already name and ID in HTML. I am already explained. Okay, placeholder. In placeholder, you want to show the in the text background name. Okay, in the box, enter the name. I am already explaining. In this, you can see enter the name and remaining text boxes. You can see it's empty because I am not given in this placeholder. I am not given. I am not applying to the remaining text fields. Okay. And next thing you can how to main important, it's a selecting button. Okay. This select, how to, it's the most important. You first of all you can give the choice, means you can give any variable. Okay. Any variable you can give now. Just you can pass this. First of all you can open this tuple, and in this tuple you can create two tuples. Okay, number of tuples you want, two tuples or three tuples you want to create, number of tuples also. And first one is they taking the variable, this is the value of the select box value, option value, and this is the in between the anchor tags, in open anchor tag and closing anchor tag in between the this text. Okay, same similarly this is the what is the text of, you can see what is the syntax. First of all you can observe now in the select HTML code, HTML tag. Okay, you can see copy now in the form. Okay, in the select option, see these options are present. This is the choice, this is the choice gender, this name. Okay, this is I am given just of all variable. I can assign to this values into the this variable. Okay, it's a not a big task. It's a very simple. This values, this is the name and id is present and also values. Okay, this is the id, this id, this is okay. And also you can see in this Volvo, these are all are these names. Okay, in between the anchor tags, this is the starting anchor tag and this is the closing anchor tag. In between text is when the text is the second attribute. Okay, the first attribute is this name values. Okay, these values, you can see this value is related to this value. Okay, this value is applicable to the this option value. Okay, and next this is the gender. I can give you this choice field. I can assign to one variable. This is not a, I just got given the gender. Okay, this choice field has present one attribute, that is the choices. Okay, this choices is present. You can, these choices you can assign to this choice. Okay, this is the one of the parameter choice field. This choice field, as you can definitely give in the choice, that time you can't give in choice, that time it shows the error. Okay, it's not run. Yeah, I'm delete this select. Also address in address is a char field. I can take char field. Otherwise you can't, you can convert it into this char field. You can convert it into forms dot I can apply the visits. Visits forms dot text area. This time you can see that how to it's converted. Before it's only, it's showing only text box, but in this time you can see the text area will be, text area means that's rows and columns related. You can, you know already text area in the HTML tag. Okay, I'm applying placeholder only. In this time you can see before and after, what is the changes. This is the text area. Okay, I will apply the text area because that is converted into text area. I want to, this is the text field. That time you can see text input. I want to I want to convert into text input. And this time you can see this is the text input, but I want to text area because it is showing this much of area it's given. It's a came from models. In models I can give the 150 maximum length because it's showing 150 length. Okay, yeah, it's clear your doubt how to work forms.
ఓకే శివ. ఈ అంటే ఐడి కాలమ్ నేము ఆర్ లాస్ట్ నేము ఫస్ట్ నేము అలాగే నేము మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ ఎందుకు ఇస్తున్నట్టు?
ఎక్కడ ఇవా, ఇవే కదా.
అవును.
ఇవి అట్రిబ్యూట్స్. మీరు HTML ట్యాగ్ లో అట్రిబ్యూట్స్ ఇస్తారా?
ఓకే.
In inputs you can see, in input type
ఓకే.
text. This text I can give the, this is a text input. Okay, and next you can see this id, this name and the placeholders. I can give the first anchor tag in between anchor tag I can give this parameters. I'm also same similarly that parameters I can pass in this field. Okay,
Okay.
these fields, these attributes I can apply to the your HTML tag. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
anyone any doubts? Set rows and columns for text area, otherwise it's default taken 0. No, Amruti, it's by default it's from the you can adjust now, you can adjust your forms also, you can adjust now in this time in this rows and columns. Okay, give rows and rows equal to 20, columns equal to 40, you can give. But by default it came from, you can give the 150 or 200, you can give the models, that time it came from models. Otherwise you can put on this folder forms. Okay, in the attributes you can apply now. How many attributes are presenting in the HTML tag, that all are you can give in the form control. Okay, in form control. Okay, don't miss these things. And class meta, in meta you can give the model, this model. What is the model? Your model, you are assigning this model, you can assigning into the in this form, this is the tag. Otherwise it's not working. Okay, and miss the these two lines, it's not working, this form not working. Okay, okay guys, and today I will share my knowledge how to get the job. Okay, okay Amrut. Okay, I will stop this recording also.